Hello. I just want to make a quick YouTube video here to help some people out maybe that are looking for an easy way to decode Morse code that might not know Morse code. I'm assuming that you already have SDR Sharp or some other software setup hooked up to your SDR, whatever that may be. I'm using the rtl-sdr. Got Raspberry Pi set up on the roof, running a SPI server, so I connect to it. That works pretty well. So I don't know any Morse code, so um, I was looking for a pretty simple way to decode the signals. I know there's some software out there, CW Skimmer, which is a little bit more advanced than what I need. So it's actually able to do this pretty easily just using a web browser and pretty much one piece of software. So the software you need is called Virtual Cable, and you can get it. I think I just Google Virtual Cable um, and VB Audio. The downloads right here. Basically, what this does is it converts your audio input, so your your audio output into an input. So whatever your speakers are playing can be picked up by as if it were a microphone output. So um, once you install that, then you're going to get some additional options when you go to your uh, audio output here. So I have uh, you can like my speakers, some other speakers I've got hooked up, but the new one there is cable input VB audio virtual cable. So what you want to do is you want to get SDR Sharp or whatever you're using running, and then find a CW signal and set that your speakers once you're on it to that virtual cable input. So you're not going to hear anything at this point. The next step is that there is on SC Phillips website.com website here. There is I'll put this link in the description, but there's an audio decoder adaptive, which it's open source. The source is on GitHub, but I found I didn't even need to really modify anything. There's a option on here called that will use the microphone to listen and decode the Morse code signal from your microphone input. So the trick here is basically that I'm using Chrome here. I haven't tried this in another browser. Is that you want to tell Chrome to not use your default microphone, but instead to use virtual cable. So I'm going to go ahead and stop this. And when you first do this, it's just going to listen on your microphone. So what you actually need to do is up in this top right corner where it says, it's got like a little video or camera icon. It says this page is accessing your microphone. You want to click on this and then right click, and then you'll get some options, and you can click manage. And then once you get to manage, it'll give you a list of outputs. So by default, this is going to be set on your microphone, most likely. What you want to find is cable output, VB audio virtual cable. Switch it to that. And then when I don't even think you have to press save. You just press back here. It should be saved. You might need to reload the website. You might not even need to do that. But then if you click listen, assuming you're locked onto a signal, it will start working. And this is what I've been listening to. Someone's calling, I think it's WA6 PQ might be the call sign. It's not perfect, but it's pretty good. I mean, I could see it's broadcasting Long Beach, California, QSL, via bureau. So looking for long distance contacts there. And then you can adjust this frequency here. I have it locked. It seems to give me a little bit better once I lock it, but it will, yeah, your experience might vary. But it adjusts the words per minute. This is really just great piece of software written in JavaScript. No need to install any additional software, you could just use this website. So hopefully that's useful to someone. I thought it was, I didn't see any documents anywhere, so thought it was worth sharing. Thank you.